Welcome to chapter 1. Under this chapter, we are going to look at that introduction to the Google Sheet. And we have split this introduction part into two parts. The first, we will discuss about what is the Google Sheet. And then we are going to discuss about what are the advantages of use the Google Sheet. The first part we are going to look at what is Google Sheet. Google Sheet is a web-based spreadsheet program that allows user to create, edit and store spreadsheet online. It provides similar functionality to desktop spreadsheet application like Microsoft Excel. It means that Google Sheet is one of the Google product, and this is a web-based spreadsheet program. Spreadsheet means if you want to work with the calculation process and mathematical calculation, if you want to do, you can use the spreadsheet, right? The Excel is one of the spreadsheet program. This will be work in the Windows and Mac operating system, but this Google Sheet it's work on web-based spreadsheet, right? So this is the spreadsheet program. If you want to create the spreadsheet or if you want to edit the spreadsheet program on web-based, we can use the Google Sheet. It's probably we can do like a Microsoft Excel. What are the activities you are going to do in the Microsoft Excel for the spreadsheet work? You are able to use the Google Sheet also to do the same task, right? So this is the Google Sheet. And now we are going to look at that. What are the advantages of use the Google Sheet? You can see here there are 4 major advantages of use the Google Sheet. The first one is Microsoft Excel is a paid version. It means that we have to pay to work with Microsoft Excel, but Google Sheet it's absolutely free. If you want to use the Google Sheet, you just create the account, and if you create the account, you are able to use the Google Sheet because the Google Sheet is one of the Google product, and you are able to use this Google Sheet absolutely free. So the first advantage is absolutely free. The second advantage is web-based application. Google Sheet is a web-based application, but Microsoft Excel is a Windows, Mac OS and Android. It means that Microsoft Excel it's a work Windows operating system or Mac operating system or Android operating system. But if you want to use the Google Sheet, you just need to have a web browser. At the same time, if you connect the internet in your mobile or whatever device, you are able to use the Google Sheet because this is the web-based application. The third advantage is real-time serving. But if you use the Microsoft Excel, sometimes you lose your data, right? So what is that? It means that if you do any kind of task into Microsoft Excel, it will not automatically save in your system, right? At the time, if you suddenly stop the Microsoft Excel or if you face any error, you will lose your data in Microsoft Excel. But the Google Sheet is a cloud-based application. What are the things you do? It will serve in the real time, right? If you suddenly close your Google Sheet, you will not lose your data because this is a real-time serving. What are the action you do? It's automatically served in the real time on the cloud, right? So you will not lose your data if you use the Google Sheet. That is the third advantage is real-time serving. The fourth and final advantage is real-time collaboration. But if you use the Microsoft Excel, it has limited offline collaboration. It means that if you want to share your Google spreadsheet, you can share with your colleagues and staffs in the real time, right? In the real time, you can share to your staffs and colleagues by using Google Sheet. But Microsoft Excel, it's not like that. It has a limitation to collaborate with your staffs and colleagues. So these are the major advantages to use the Google Sheet.